How do you master your skill?
Some people dream of good things. Very few people start.
Okay, I just wanted to do... I forgot to film this. Well, when I see it, I didn't film it. But this morning when I came in, my eggplant or aubergine, anyway, they're all keeled over just like this one is over here. And I've turned this back on, so it's now warm, and I've put the cover back on, and they've perked straight back up. And that's my eggplants of aubergine. So obviously I prematurely took off the lid and they keeled over. It was really cold last night, so because of that I'm going to leave the cover on for a little while. I'm also using, if you're interested, these are going to be for my buckets or my hydroponics, and I'm actually using this to water them, which is water from my fish tank. I thought it was quite a good idea. It's working so far. So they haven't got any nutrients other than that. You can see at the bottom there's like a little bit of water. It's not got a bubble machine or anything like that in it yet, but as you can see it's just down the bottom. And yeah, they're looking quite great. They've got great colour and they're quite strong. So yeah, I was just a little bit worried about them this morning. I thought I lost them, but it turns out that they were just cold. So I'm going to go ahead and pop them back in there and hopefully they'll perk up again. Alright, thanks for watching.